Alright, this metal blade works really well on this composite panel, just FYI. Cuts like butter, no melting, no smoke. High tooth count, very fine blade. Let's do the final cut. And there she is. Alright. It's not bad at all. Clean this up with a little sandpaper, little rough edges, and then test fit this window. See what happens. This is going nice and easy so far. This is this crazy composite stuff. Look how thin this is. Thin, but pretty strong. Wow. Still don't know exactly what this is made out of. Looks like it's got, in between the white sides, it looks like there's something else sandwiched in between. I'd love to hear from somebody at GM or the former Brightdrop team what exactly this stuff is made out of.